Good morning, dear students. Today we have the time to study Unit 4, Lesson 1. Unit 4 is very interesting. It has lots of things will really turn your head. The first or the whole unit is telling you to look again. You know what does it mean, look again? That you did not see the truth the first time. This is why you have to look again. We're going to read about optical illusions. Optical illusions. Do experiments and discuss the results. Optical illusion is when I see something that I understand what's out of it, then I find out it turns to be something else. Do we really understand? No, we don't. We will get to that. The optical illusion is a way that my eye got tricked, and we need to look again. Look again. Read about optical illusions, do experiments and discuss the results. Compare and describe things. Talk about where things are, learn about animals' camouflage. If you open the learner's book, we will compare between line A and line B. Which line is longer, A or B? Measure the lines to check. Measure the lines to check. Circles. Look at the yellow circle in the middle of each flower. Which yellow circle is bigger? Which one is bigger? Measure the circles to check. The girl and the boy over there, look at the blue line and the orange line on the wall. Which line is longer? Is it really longer, or is it an optical illusion? Measure to find out. Why I have to measure? Because when I measure, it's another look. I'm looking again. I would say line B looks longer, but when I measure, I find out they are the same. I would say circle A, the yellow circle in the shape A, looks bigger, but when I measure, they are looking the same. The same for the lines. The orange line is really larger, but when I measure, it's the same. My eye got tricked, and this is the optical illusion. We will get to know these shapes. Listen and get to answer or to identify or to know which shape are they talking about.
Track 28. 1. This shape has 3 straight sides and 3 corners. 2. This shape has 4 straight sides and 4 corners.
Okay.
2 sides are long and 2 sides are short.
This one.
3. This shape has 4 straight sides and 4 corners. All 4 sides are exactly the same.
Exactly the same.
4. This shape is round. It doesn't have any corners. 5. You can pick up this shape. It has a top, a bottom, and 4 sides. It is like a box.
So now we got to know about the triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. We got to know about the rectangle, 2 longer sides than 2 shorter ones. Square, 4 equal sides. Circle doesn't have any sides. Cube, that's a shape I can pick up, has a top, a bottom, and 4 corners. Another game, I would call it. Look at the pictures, read the questions, then say what you find out. What shape can you see in this picture? All of you will say a cube, but actually No. It's circles missing parts of it. The same here. Look at the little white circles. Can you see black dots too? Can you count them? Do you think the black dots are real? Are they an optical illusion? Of course they are. That's the unit of games. Now this is something you can make it at home, or if you are in the class, we would do it together. I will ask you for a piece of paper to the same size, and we can draw the head of the lion on one of the papers. The other one will make the shape of the cage. Then we will stick both of them together back to back. You need a long pencil, 2 pieces of paper and some sticky tape. Draw 2 pictures the same size, one on each piece of paper like this. Then what do? We will tape them with the sticky tape. We would tape the pictures back to back. So one side will be the head of the lion and the other side will be the cage. Twirl the pencil. We will hold the pencil in our hands and we will twirl it. We will twirl it. Twirl the pencil between your hands. What do you see? Why do you think that happens? I would see the lion inside the cage. Why do you think that happens? Because it's an optical illusion. Now we get to the lesson notes. We will start with the big word, optical illusion. Something that you think you see. You think you see, but it's not really there. I saw an oasis on the road. When I reached it was gone, as it was an optical illusion. Sometimes you can see this when you're traveling with mom and dad on the road. You can see that there are some water ahead. Then when you reach it, you don't find anything because it's an optical illusion. Experiment, a test done to learn or to discover a new fact. We always use do with experiments. Do experiments. We do many experiments in this science session. Discuss. Talk about something to someone and share ideas about it. When you talk to your friend about something and you tell what you think about it and your friend tells the same, you are discussing something. Measure. To discover the exact size of something, we use a ruler to measure the length. That's measure. Straight, direct. Like when you take this straight road, straight means direct, not any curve. Corner, that's an angle made by 2 sides. The square has 4 corners. Long, short, square. A shape has 4 sides. They are equal. Triangle. A shape has 3 sides. Rectangle, a shape has 4 sides. 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. Circle, the shape is round. It doesn't have sides. Cube, it's a solid shape. Square, circle, triangle, rectangle, and cube. Dots, these are the full stop next to each other. Happen means take place. At the top of, as you can see this little flag, at the top of. Take care, and we said this many times before. There takes at. If there is no there, it will be on. Good job. On top of. Now at the top of. The same for bottom. At the bottom of. In the middle, you can see the man and you can see the obstacles around. Find out, to discover. The boy found out the solution for the problem. Tape. This is the action I do and the name of the tape that I use. To use stripes of a sticky material to fix two things together, to tape two things together. I cut the page from the book by accident. I can tape it. Twirl, to make a sudden quick turn of something. Twirl the pencil between your hands. Trick, deceive. The boy tricked the girl and took her money. That's bad. Face to face is an antonym to back to back. Punctuation, we had this before and we will repeat it. If I use which for comparison, of course, which is a question, I will start with a capital letter and I will end up with a question mark. But make sure you have the comma between the two choices. Now we go to the next part, which is the questions. First, we start with do as shown. The side of the square is 5 centimeter, but the side of the triangle is 10 centimeter. I need to rewrite in one sentence using than, so I will compare. Good job. The second one, you must eat healthy food. Rewrite using the imperative form. Every time we made a game, I started with the verb because I'm telling you instructions. So let us do the imperative form. You mustn't stay up late. Rewrite using imperative form as well. And the last one, the train is faster than a car. Ask a question using this answer. Who can tell me the first one? We will write then, so we will compare. So, the side of the triangle is longer than the side of the square. I use then. We need imperative form, and this is affirmative, so I will take the verb to start with it in the infinitive form. Eat healthy food. Now, this is negative, so don't stay up late. The train is faster than a car. Who can make a question? Yes, we will ask for comparison. Which is faster, comma, the train or the car? Good job. Next question. This is choices. We tie the flag, space, the top of our school building. On in it. I cut a page in my dad's book. I will fix it. I will tape, hold, cut. The ballet dancer can fix, twirl, cut herself. The space has 3 sides, square, triangle, rectangle. The space has no sides, cube, circle, triangle. First one, we tie the flag, space there. Add the top off. I cut a page in my dad's book. I will fix it. I will tape. Good job. The ballet dancer can twirl. The space has 3 sides. The triangle. The space has no sides. The circle. That was all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a great lesson. Thank you all and see you. Bye bye.